Namaste. My name is Sandeep. Friends, everyone is born with something which is called as DRM, Design Range of Motion. When we are born, the body can move nicely and easily into its full range. But a lot of time, because of work, because of stress, because of limitations of exercises, because of no time, we start actually restricting our body. And then a person comes to something which is called as IRM, Individual Range of Motion. There is a very simple philosophy of muscles. Use it or lose it. If you don't use it, you will lose it. So stretch the body and let the body come to its complete range of motion, the design range of motion. If you stretch your muscles well, this stretching practices allows the muscles and the body to become healthier and more than that, happier. So let's start with stretching exercises. So you will come on your fours first, taking a tabletop position. Just awakening the spine first. The shoulders and the wrist are in one line, the hip and the knee is in one line. Toes are flat. Now breathe in. As you breathe in, lift the chin, chest up, pressing the lower back. And when you breathe out, let the middle lower back go up, bringing the head down, forehead facing the pelvis. Inhale, go up. We are slowly first awakening the spine. Exhale. Lift the back up and bring the forehead towards facing the pelvis. One more time. Inhale and exhale. After exhalation, now let the toes tuck in and bring the hands a little forward, maybe about 2 or 3 inches forward. Now we are going to stretch especially the legs. So lift your knees up and then alternately start pressing the heels down. This is called as walking the dog. So when we press the heels down, it stretches the Achilles tendon, it stretches the calf muscles, the back of the knee and the hamstrings. Do it about 5 times. After stretching and pressing the heel down, now let us bend and press both the heels down. If possible, the knees will become straight, but you are engaging your quads, lengthening the hamstrings. Press the heels. Even if the heel doesn't touch the floor, it's okay. Just keep on pressing the heels down to the floor. Hold here for about 8 to 10 seconds. And now slowly bend your leg at the knees, come to the tabletop position and just hold here for a while. Just breathe here for about 2 breaths to 3 breaths. Let the breath settle down. What we did was we stretched the legs. This time we are going to stretch the upper back and the arms. So again, bring the hands 2 inches forward, lifting your knees. Keep your knees bent. Let the heels remain up. Now feel as if you are moving the shoulders to the ankle. Press the hands towards the ankles, feeling the stretch in the upper back. Let the head remain between the hands. Keep on pressing and stretching nicely. Let the chest open up. Let the shoulder blades squeeze into each other towards your back. Hold here for about 5 to 10 seconds and then slowly come back. Bring the knees down. Bring the hands in a line, the shoulders and the wrist in one line. Just remain here for about 2 breaths to 3 breaths. Let the breath settle down. What we did was we stretched the legs, then we stretched the upper back and the hands, and this time we will combine both of them together. So again, bring the hands 2 inches forward, lift your knees up. Now press. Feel as if you are pushing the groin behind and up to the ceiling, lifting the sitting bones up, pressing the heels down, pressing the armpit towards the line of the ankle. Stretch. Feel a nice stretch coming in the legs, in the arms and also in your spine. About holding for 10 to 15 seconds, slowly come back. bring the knees down. And now keeping the foot flat, bring the big toe together, let the knees be apart and relax for a while in extended child's pose. Slowly, once again, come on your fours. So, come up, knees together, taking a tabletop position. Friends, now we will awaken the core a little. So, come to plank position. So, bring the hands forward, lifting the knees up, a plank position. Now friends, what we are going to do is we are going to hold here for about 3 breaths. Every exhalation, we will contract the abdomen in. Inhalation, exhalation, contract the abdomen in. Inhalation, exhalation, contract the abdomen in. Last time. Inhale, exhale, contract the abdomen in. And slowly come down, bring the knees down, tabletop position. Just hold here, just relax here. We will do another practice, second practice for the core. In this we will bring the knee to the elbow, allowing the knee to come to the elbow from the outside. So taking a tabletop position and from here moving into plank. Now friends, inhale and bring the right knee to the right elbow. Exhale, slowly go back. Repeat this 2 more times. This will help for internal and the external obliques. Come back slowly. Last time. Inhale and exhale. And then after that, just relax and repeat the opposite side. After taking this position, after working a little on the core, now we will come to the chest area. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do a cobra pose and then we will do a downward facing dog. And in that we will include one twist. So you can come on the plank and slowly come fully down. Toes flat, hands by the side of the chest. Inhale, come just a little up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Now, inhale, come up. Little more. Exhale, go down. Last time. Inhale, come up if possible, straighten the hands. Exhale, go down. This time we will remain in the final position for a while. Inhale, feel the spine, feel the chest. Hold and keep breathing here for about 3 breaths. And after exhalation, tuck the toes in, lift your knees up into a downward facing dog. From here, bend the leg at the knee, bringing the heel to the buttock and slowly move the knee up and behind to the opposite side. Feel the opening of the groin, of the hip and come back. Then bend the other leg and move the knee, twisting and come back. Come on your fours, let the big toe come together, knees apart, relax in Sashankrasana, rabbit pose or extended child's pose. Slowly come back, knees together. Now friends, we are going to stretch the hip area and then we will do relaxation. So lie down on your back. This is also called as thread and needle. So placing the right heel on the left knee and bringing the left knee to the chest. And then interlock your fingers, keeping the right hand from inside and the left hand from outside. Start pulling the knee close to the chest. If possible, keep the buttock on the floor. Don't let the buttock and the lower back lift. Especially the lower back will remain on the floor. Feel a nice and gentle stretch on the side of the hip, at the glutes, at the groin. And release. And then opposite side. Breathe. Shoulders are relaxed nicely. Lower back is also relaxed. And release. If you want, straighten your legs. Shake your legs in and out to release the hip tension. And relax for a while. Now the last stretch, the twisting stretch. Bend both the leg at the knees, interlock the fingers. Let both the knees come to the chest and then turn both the knees on the left, turn your head to the right. Feel the stretch coming in the entire spine, the twisting action which also allows the spine to open up and relax at the same time. Hold here with ease, don't struggle, don't tense your body, just relax your body. Gently come back to the center and opposite, where you allow the knees to fall to the other side and the head to go to the opposite side. So twisting actions will allow the body to settle down. Friends, when you stretch the body opens beautifully. And your alignment of the body can also change. Your posture can become better. And you can also become fitter, healthier and happier. If you like my video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get updates of all the new videos that we will post. Also, if you have any valuable feedback, suggestions, please write to us. If you want us to cover any special subject related to yoga, you can also write to us. We will try to cover that in the near future. Thank you for watching. Namaste.